Can I stop receiving messages from someone on WhatsApp without deleting them as a contact?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll guide you through the process of stopping messages from a particular contact on WhatsApp, without actually having to delete them from your contact list. This can come in handy if you are looking to avoid distractions or need some privacy.
What is blocking on WhatsApp?
Before we get into the how, let's understand what exactly happens when you block someone on WhatsApp. Blocking a contact on WhatsApp will stop their messages, calls, and status updates from showing up on your app. You'll also not be able to send them messages or calls. However, this does not delete them from your contact list, and you can always unblock them whenever you want to start receiving and sending messages again.
How to block a contact on WhatsApp?
Now that we understand what blocking means, let's look at the steps to block a contact on WhatsApp. 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. 2. Open the chat with the person you want to block. 3. Tap on their name at the top to open the contact info screen. 4. Scroll down and select the Block option. 5. Confirm your decision in the pop-up that appears. Congratulations! You've successfully blocked a contact on WhatsApp.
How to unblock a contact on WhatsApp?
What if you change your mind and want to unblock a contact? Here's how you can do that. 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. 2. Tap on the three-dot menu on the top right corner and select Settings. 3. Tap on Account, then Privacy, and finally, Blocked Contacts. 4. Here you will see a list of all blocked contacts. Tap the contact you wish to unblock. 5. Choose Unblock to allow the contact to message and call you again. That's it. Now you know how to unblock a contact as well. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to block and unblock contacts on WhatsApp without deleting them from your contact list. Remember, your peace and privacy are paramount, and these steps allow you to manage your interactions effectively. Enjoy your WhatsApp experience.